So another tutorial on how to change Wi-Fi password. So make sure you are connected to the router. So first thing is you have to search 192.168.100.1. Tapos mga yun na siya og username and password. Username will be root, then admin and password admin. So the password will be admin, like that. Okay, click login. So you just have to skip this one. Skip. Oh no. Okay. Skip lang, skip. Then return to home page. And you will have to wait until this one. So home page lang. Dito. Ayan. Tapos you click on this Wi-Fi something. I-click niyo na kani Wi-Fi configuration. Click, then it will show you the Wi-Fi name for 2.4G and 5G network. So check niyo lang na i-uncheck lang ni para makita niyo yung password. So duha mo gani ang Wi-Fi niya, isa ka 2.4G and isa ka 5G. So either alis na niyo diri og bago ng mga password niyo and password niya. So nara sa inyo, but mas nindot if same lang ni sila. Yan. Password niyo. Then you just have to click save. Tapos ma-disconnect na mo sa network and you have to use this new password na para makabalik mo. So i-forget lang sa ninyo inyong Wi-Fi para makabalik mo og sulod. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.